At the age of 5, I was diagnosed with Perthes, and from there it was a quick trip into hospitals and doctors, and shortly thereafter put my legs into braces.
Looking back at old family photos, Jeff Metler now realizes the little boy in the picture set in motion who he is today.
At that point, between the age of 5 and 8, it really, I think, helped define what I wanted to do in life, of being able to help other people.
As a lawyer, he helps give a voice to people who may have nowhere else to turn. Outside the courtroom, Metler also wants to give back to those who help kids with disabilities.
And so whenever I see kids that in the Shriners position or in need of Shriners, it tugs at my heartstrings because I've been there.
Shriners Hospital has helped sick kids here in Utah for 85 years, free of charge. But times have changed.
For the first time in 85 years, Shriners Hospital for Children is billing private insurance and Medicaid for patients that do have that coverage.
In order to continue providing care for thousands of families, the hospital is charging for services.
If they did not make this change, Shriners could inevitably spend itself out of existence. Healthcare costs are rising. Our donations are generous, but relatively flat.
Shriners also had to close several hospitals across the country.
It was such a hard decision to make that it took 2 years for our national leadership to weigh the pros and cons.
This hit close to home for Metler, and he wants to help. But he doesn't want your money. He wants to be your Facebook friend.
For every person that jumps on, we're going to donate $1 to Shriners, up to $10,000. Some of these families just can't withstand the burden of the medical costs, and I've been lucky enough to be put in a position that I can raise awareness.
Meanwhile, the folks over there at Shriners say they will still provide health care free of charge to those who need it and those who do not have insurance. Now, Jeff hopes some 10,000 people will log on to his website to be able to spread that holiday cheer before Christmas Day. If you want to help out with this fundraiser, you can go to our website at connecttoutah.com. I'm Dan Rascone for 2 News.